awesome. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Probably have to put the window up for the info. All right, man. What's your name and what is everything you have in here, man?
Bruce Benjamin. I have 2 VXF scars on a 5K. I have 1 additional battery in the rear as a Stinger. I have 1 250 amp alternator. It's Power Bastards.
Okay. All right. Have you metered it? And
I metered when I was low power at 500 watts, 47 hertz. I was a 137.
37. Okay. And you're more power now, so yeah. Do you know what you're tuned to?
32 hertz.
32. Okay. All right. Nice. Yes, sir.
Another song with some higher range, because like I said, I'm tuned to 32.
Okay. Yep.
We'll
Dude, those low notes though is really clean. You can tell.
We'll go with Gucci here. It's 33, 39, 50, and 52.
All right. that little bit of a higher note, it does pretty well around, I'd say, what, 38 to 42 hertz range, or?
It's tuned to 32, but 30 is where it likes to be.
It does, okay.
But those VXFs are different than the ZXFs because they're musical and they give you the SPL that you're looking for.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Get speakers, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I hear you over here.
Alt data search?
Yeah, man.
Bitch,
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.